Is blogging still profitable in 2024? This is a question many are asking as we navigate the ever-changing landscape of the digital world. Today, we're here to explore this very question, to delve into the realm of blogging and see if it retains its luster as a lucrative digital venture. For years, blogging has been a popular way to earn an income online. From lifestyle blogs to tech-focused sites, many have found success in sharing their thoughts, experiences, and knowledge with the world. But as we all know, the digital world is anything but static. New technologies emerge, trends shift, and the ways in which we can earn money online evolve. So what about blogging? Does it still hold its ground as a profitable endeavor? Or has it been overshadowed by newer, shinier digital income streams? These are the questions we'll be tackling today. So let's dive into the world of blogging and uncover its potential profitability in 2024. To understand the profitability of blogging in 2024, it's important to look back at its evolution. The history of blogging is a fascinating journey from humble beginnings to a dynamic industry. In the late 90s, blogs were little more than online diaries. Early adopters used them as a platform to share their thoughts, interests, and experiences with a global audience. They were the pioneers of a new form of self-expression, unwittingly laying the groundwork for an industry that would soon explode. As the internet matured, so too did blogging. It evolved from a hobby for internet enthusiasts into a legitimate business model. This shift was largely driven by the realization that blogs could attract large audiences, and where there's an audience, there's potential for profit. Take, for example, the story of Heather Armstrong, better known by her blogging pseudonym Deuce. She started blogging in the early 2000s, and by 2005, she was earning enough from her blog to support her family. Then there's Pete Cashmore, the founder of Mashable. He started his tech blog from his bedroom in Scotland in 2005, and by 2012, it was worth an estimated $200 million. These bloggers and many others like them found ways to monetize their blogs. They leveraged advertising, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and even their own products and services to turn their passion for blogging into a profitable endeavor. They proved that with the right content, the right audience, and the right monetization strategies, blogging could be a lucrative business. As we move towards the 2010s and beyond, the blogging landscape continued to evolve. New platforms and technologies emerged, and the competition became fiercer. Despite this, many bloggers continued to find success and profitability in this ever-changing industry. As we can see, blogging has been quite profitable in the past, but does this hold true in 2024? Fast forward to 2024, the state of blogging has certainly changed. In the past, blogging was largely a written medium, a virtual diary where people shared their thoughts and experiences. But today, the landscape of blogging is as dynamic as it's ever been, with the rise of video content, podcasting, and social media influence. Let's talk about video content first. As our society becomes more visually oriented, the blogging world has adapted to meet this demand. Video blogs, or vlogs as they're commonly known, are rapidly growing in popularity. They offer a more interactive, engaging way to communicate with audiences, allowing bloggers to show rather than tell. Next on the list is podcasting. Podcasts have exploded in popularity over the past few years, and they show no signs of slowing down. They offer a unique audio-based experience that appeals to busy individuals who don't have the time or patience to read long blog posts. Many bloggers have expanded their platforms to include podcasts, reaching a larger demographic and diversifying their content. And then there's social media. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook have become integral to the blogging world. They provide a platform for bloggers to connect with their audience on a more personal level, share updates, and promote their content. The influence of social media on blogging cannot be overstated. But what does this all mean for the profitability of blogging? Traditional written blogs might not pull in the same traffic they once did, but that doesn't mean they're no longer profitable. On the contrary, these changes have created new opportunities for monetization. Bloggers who are willing to adapt and embrace these trends can tap into new revenue streams, from video ads to sponsored social media posts. Despite these changes, blogging still holds potential for profitability. But how? In 2024, bloggers have a variety of ways to monetize their content. It's not just about pouring your heart out on the digital page anymore. It's about transforming those words into a revenue stream. So, how do you squeeze dollars out of your digital diary? Let's start with advertising. It's the bread and butter of blog monetization. With platforms like Google AdSense, You can earn money by placing ads on your blog. Every time a reader clicks on an ad, you make a little bit of money. It's as simple as that. But remember, more traffic means more clicks, and more clicks mean more money. Then there's sponsored content. This is where a company pays you to write a post about their product or service. It's like an advertisement disguised as a blog post. But be careful, it's important to disclose when a post is sponsored, not only for transparency, but also because it's the law. Next up, affiliate marketing. This is when you promote a product or service on your blog and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. It's a win-win. The company gets a sale and you get a cut. Lastly, selling your own products or services. This could be anything from an ebook to a coaching service. It's a fantastic way to monetize your expertise and create a direct income stream. Now let's look at some real-world examples. Take Jenny Lawson, for instance, also known as the bloggess. She's made a successful career out of her humorous and honest writing, earning from book sales, sponsored content, and advertising. Or consider Pat Flynn, who runs the blog Smart Passive Income. He's mastered the art of affiliate marketing, earning a significant income by promoting products he trusts and believes in. Clearly, there are many ways for bloggers to earn income in 2024, but is it enough to be considered profitable? Well, that depends on your definition of profitable and how much work you're willing to put in. But one thing's for sure, the potential is there. So keep blogging, keep exploring, and keep monetizing. So, is blogging still profitable in 2024? The answer is, it depends. There are several factors that can significantly influence the profitability of a blog. It's not a one-size-fits-all situation. The most crucial factor is the niche you choose. In the vast digital landscape, some niches are more profitable than others. For example, finance and health are traditionally lucrative niches, but they also come with a high level of competition. Finding a balance between a profitable niche and one that is not overly saturated can be a delicate dance. The size and engagement level of your audience also play a significant role. The more engaged and larger your audience, the more opportunities there are to monetize. However, building a loyal audience is not an overnight task. It requires time, patience, and a consistent delivery of value to your readers. The quality of your content is another determining factor. In the fast-paced world of 2024, people desire value and authenticity. They crave unique perspectives and expert insights. Therefore, the better your content, the more likely your audience will return, increasing your blog's profitability potential. Now, let's talk about monetization strategies. There are numerous ways to monetize a blog in 2024. Traditional methods like advertising and affiliate marketing are still effective. However, the rise of digital products and online courses offers exciting new avenues for bloggers to explore. Choosing the right monetization strategy for your blog depends on your audience's needs and your own capabilities. However, it's essential to remember that blogging is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires a strategic approach, dedication, and a commitment to producing quality content. It demands patience and resilience, as it can take time to see a return on your efforts. Blogging is a marathon, not a sprint. Challenges will arise, and not everyone will find blogging profitable. But for those who approach it with a strategic mindset, a dedication to their audience, and a passion for their niche, the potential for profitability is certainly there. While blogging can still be profitable in 2024, it requires a strategic approach and a dedication to producing quality content. In conclusion, while the landscape of blogging has drastically changed over the years, it can still be a profitable venture in 2024. We've traversed the journey of blogging from its humble beginnings to its current dynamic state. We've seen that, yes, the game has changed, but the essence remains the same: creating valuable content. In 2024, monetizing blogs is no longer about plastering advertisements everywhere. It's about building relationships with your audience and offering them something of real value. Affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, online courses, and premium content are just a few of the ways blogs are generating revenue today. But success doesn't happen overnight. It requires a strategic approach, a deep understanding of your audience, and, above all, patience. The profitability of blogging in 2024 is influenced by a plethora of factors, but it all boils down to the value you provide. So, if you're considering starting a blog in 2024, remember, it's not just about writing posts, it's about creating value for your audience. And that, dear viewers, is always profitable.